I remember waking up early in the morning to film a prenup shoot. It was the day I first saw the rising sun at the top of a mountain. I could feel the fresh breeze of air, the cold morning dew, smelled the freshly reaped grass eaten by the ever-working caribou, and was full of awe staring at the waterfalls of such majesty in the humble island of Bohol. I somehow reminisce the feeling, but I'm not quite sure when everything's going back to the way it used to be. The thrill of adventure and meeting new people. Oh, such adorable children. Will these now only remain on my memory? A good and satisfying one? Or can we see a light at the end of the tunnel? Of course, God willing. The freedom that we long for, the different places we wanted to visit. All this won't be possible if we don't cooperate to the government. Let this quarantine period help us realize the things that matters most. Learn a new skill, read a book, anything that will make you productive. Yes, this may take a while, but this crisis will surely end. It may never go back to the way it used to be, but let us be grateful each day being alive. When this quarantine ends, I hope we become a better human being. More kindness and generosity. Take away the pride and ego, and let us move forward to a new normal.